Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a get ready with me using mostly Dollar Tree products. I tried to do a complete full face of Dollar Tree, but I realized that I need to grab a few more things. But we are going to be using the new Ioni stuff I picked up and the Be Perfect and some Ode favorites of mine as well. So to get started, I had to use the Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer, and I'm going to use this lip balm, and it's a sweater weather lip balm from Dollar Tree in the scent Vanilla Mint. I like it. It was moisturizing on the lips, and I like that it looks like an EOS balm. And this is the Ioni Brow Kit, and it has 4 powders in it. I like that it doesn't have the wax. I personally don't really use the waxes ever. I like that these powders are pigmented. They are a bit powdery, I will show you, and there is a white brow highlight, and I think most anybody could get away with mixing the colors of this brow kit to do their brows. And a lot of times these brow kits and pencils and stuff, always the right shade for me always leans too warm, it's too red, but I like this one. I like it. And this I picked up, this is the e.l.f. Cover Everything Concealer. I picked this up a while back at the Dollar Tree, and I'm using that today in this video. I tried to get as many Dollar Tree products as I possibly could, but I'm going to clean the brows up, and then I'm going to use the white highlight from the brow kit as my brow highlight to begin with. I will use an additional one later. I'm going to use the LaColors Melt Palette, and this is the peach one. Strawberry peach or something, I believe it's called. I'm not entirely sure, but it will be in the description box below. And I've just tried to put together a really easy, quick fall look that anybody could achieve with some other Dollar Tree palettes. This is the only Dollar Tree palette I own besides like a duo in my collection, so this is what I chose to use. I know I decluttered so much. I'm going to link the declutter stuff too, if anybody's interested, because I did declutter quite a bit. But I'm just going to take a fluffy crease brush and put an orange shade in my crease. Then I am going to use the yellow to kind of blend it out into, to create this seamless fade up towards the brow. I'm going to use the shimmery brown shade in the palette, and I'm not going to use any other. Usually I would spritz this, but today I just wanted to keep it basic and easy. And with a eyeshadow brush, I am just literally applying that messily all over the lid, so any bronzy shimmery brown will work. This look to me just screams fall. It's very beautiful. It's so easy to achieve. And I'm using the lightest shade in the palette, which is like kind of a white, lean toward like a skin tone color as well. And I'm just gonna further highlight, and I'm gonna go back in and add yellow, so it can definitely be peeking over in the crease over that orange. I did have to use a Covergirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer, and I used that, and then this Bpure pressed powder. It's got like green tea extract in it, and it's just a translucent powder. The powder itself smells so nicely. It's finely milled even though it is pressed, and it doesn't leave any white cast in the pictures, in the, you know, when you take your pictures. It does a really good job at setting the makeup, and I did use a Covergirl pressed powder too, off camera. This is the most perfect bronzer for fair toned skin. It is from LaColors. It is a pressed powder, but it isn't tan, and this is so gorgeous. It does lean a bit on the cooler side. It blends out very nicely. You can find this literally every day at the Dollar Tree, and it is totally worth $1.25. LaColors Cream Blush and Hypnotized. And my favorite thing about these blushes, not only are they pigmented and easy to work with, but they dry down. They're like this weird gel formula. It has a nice vanilla-y kind of scent to it, and once you get it down, it dries down to like this matte, and it's just a really nice, well done formula for like a Dollar Tree makeup item. Now a while back you could find these WetnWild loose highlighters at the Dollar Tree, and I have this one, and it is just a champagne-y kind of highlight, and it is blinding. Lots of times you can find lots of fun and more expensive brands at the Dollar Tree. Just, you know, have to keep your eye out, and a lot of times I'll watch haul videos and determine if I need to go and look at my store. I'm going to take the orange along the lower lash line. This look really makes my green eyes pop because orange is close in, well, right there in with a warm red kind of family, and red will always make your green eyes pop. This is also from the Dollar Tree, and it's the LaColors Highlighting Trio, and it is in Wild Child. And I'm just going to use the shimmery light peach shade that has like a red duochrome in it to do the inner corner. I'm using a WetnWild eyeliner, and you can find any black eyeliner at the Dollar Tree. And the new mascara I'm trying out is from Ioni, and it's the Volumizing Mascara, and it does have a plastic brush, and it has a more like tapered out cone like shape to the brush, and I like the formula. It didn't flake or smear by the end of the day either. It does give quite a bit of length to my lashes that need a lot of help. I put a little on the lower lash line, but overall I'm very, very pleased with the mascara results. And if I ever found this in the store again, I would totally pick up another tube because I think it looks wonderful. I think it did a great job. Now for lips, we're using the LaColors Nude Glam lipstick in Oh Teddy. You guessed it, I love this lipstick. And I recommend picking up any of that Nude Glam stuff. So this is our finished look, and once again I did try to do all Dollar Tree full face. It didn't pan out that way, but I do love how the look came out. It's very fall, and it was so easy to achieve it. You can achieve it with any products you already own, I'm sure, with any kind of set of colors as well. A different color story on your eyes. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, found it helpful. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree videos. There's a product list in the description box. There's other Dollar Tree additional links as well as the cards, so definitely check that out. I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these.